Here's the situation. I literally just like 30 minutes ago finished filming my video from last week about file backup and storage. But if we take a look out the window, yeah, it's snowing pretty hard out there. So, if I bring my screen back around, I'm gonna go fly my drone out there. This could be interesting. Okay, so my drone battery is fully charged, and I actually have to go and get the correct documentation, my license. Don't want to be doing anything illegal. That'd be bad. I have my tripod for the purpose of making this kind of impromptu vlog style thing, I guess you can call it. Man, it is really snowing out there. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay, so hopefully the camera does not like kill itself outside. I need to get ready stat. All right, I am currently in the preparing stage. Got my winter boots. I got my jacket, hats and mitts, and a new addition to my winter drone flying kit, my balaclava. Okay, so I'm ready. I was all hyped for this balaclava, but then I realized it wouldn't even be able to understand me while I had it on. Okay, so I've got my drawstring bag back here with all the drone stuff and my necessary licensing documents. Oh my goodness, it's still snowing. Got my tripod, which is for this purpose here, not the drone, but time to head outside. Oh boy. I got my huge ski mitts on, so controlling the camera could be a bit of a problem. Just a little bit. Can't even tell where the sidewalk is. Look at this. Where is it? I don't know. Oh my god, look at the street. This is ridiculous. Hopefully the audio doesn't get messed up. I know I won't be filming any more videos today because the mic is gonna have to dry out. It's actually not that cold, or even more crucially, that windy. So flying the drone shouldn't be the problem. It's about seeing it in the snow and like seeing if I can actually get shots if snowflakes get on the lens, right? That could be a problem. All right, so I'm almost there. Just trying to cross the street. Cars are driving pretty slow, understandably. Trying to blow some snow off the microphone. I don't want to have this thing completely wrecked. I first used this little vlogging setup like literally this morning while I was filming freaking video, that backup video that went out last week. Now I'm using it again in a blizzard outside when it's below zero. All right, so here's my normal takeoff position. It's kind of a little bench to put my stuff on. Should be fine. All right, I had to take my my gloves off for this, so I have a very limited amount of time to put this on the tripod. All right, let me fix the ball head. There's a lot of moisture on this camera right now. That is not good. Probably should have brought a microfiber cloth. Anyway, let's get out the drone. I'm debating whether to put these on. Like, it's a pretty clear park, but as you can see behind me, these are my drone flying gloves. I was wearing mitts before. Can't really fly a drone with mitts on. It doesn't work with the controller. I just remembered kind of a key fact here. What was I thinking? I do definitely need the propeller guards because they have these little landing gear boys, and like the snow here is probably like what? 6-7 centimeters deep already. So I need these, otherwise my drone's gonna be buried when it takes off. You know what else I just remembered? My phone is actually at a low battery. Whoops. We're absolutely winging it at this point. So I'm just gonna kind of move some snow out of the way so I actually have like a spot to take off. Well, no turning back now. 17% battery on my phone. Yikes. Oh god. It's trying to update. No. No. Okay, the controller's connected. See the green light there. I don't know about everything else. DJI, stop sending me crap. It's giving me all these notifications. Do you want to enjoy the customer feedback? No! I just want to fly my drone and get out of here before it breaks completely. Not to mention, we're below the official operating temperature of the DJI Spark. It only goes down to 0 degrees. It's snowing, so it's obviously below zero. That's Celsius for you Americans out there. Takeoff time. The drone's gone. Just kidding. It's still up there. Let's go. Do you hear that? Why is it doing that? This footage right now, this live view, at the same time looks really cool, really terrifying, and really bad. Okay, so the drone is way kind of out there in the field. I don't know what kind of shots I can even do right now. I still have 66% battery, but the controller is just having a stroke. Oh, it can't. Its obstacle avoidance system isn't even working. So it just thinks there's obstacles everywhere. So the only way to get it to move is to just stop and start it again. Oh shoot, where even is it right now? I don't know. Which way is it? I don't even know which way it's facing. I'm getting a pretty cool shot though. Why is it landing? No, wait. Oh my god. This suicidal little thing just decided to start landing. No. Oh dear. Hopefully the propellers didn't snap. That would be bad. So this is bad. Probably gonna start throwing things at it to get it down. Hopefully the propellers didn't bust. That would be terrible. Okay, it worked. The Spark landed on its top. I think the propeller guards did their job. No damage. Thing is covered in snow now, though. Yeah, I don't know if it'll take off. We can try it. My phone died, but we're rolling with it. It's just going straight up. Okay, I can't even control the drone for some reason. The controller, it works when I go up, but when I try to bring it down, I think it's the obstacle avoidance just not working at all in these blizzard conditions. Cleaning up is a pain. My hands are a little cold. Not as bad as they were when I was filming the footage in the winter drone flying tips video, to be honest. Yeah, I need to get out of here. When I get there, I'll definitely bring you guys back for a bit of a more thorough damage assessment. See what works, what doesn't. My phone is not in great shape, and I just kind of threw everything in my drawstring bag without even trying to dry it off. My hands are too cold, so I guess we're gonna have to roll with that. Oh, the lens is completely fogged. There's so much water and snow on the camera right now. I gotta stop recording, clean all this up. Well, that was very eventful. Here's the damages. Yep, that's a lot of friggin' gear. The camera is absolutely still soaked right now. The autofocus is bad because the lens still has water on it. And quite frankly, I'm not feeling too good either. My hands are cold. All my equipment is covered in snow, and I can't even see out of my glasses. So that'll be it for this ridiculous vlog. I would kind of classify this as a vlog. Wow, this gear is covered in water right now. I have to dry things off. I have to get all this sorted out. Subscribe and follow me on Twitter for whatever weird stuff I decide to do next. And I'll see you in the next video.